Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got some lovely finishes for you from those wonderful people over at Fansells. And most of these I have completed as part of the hashtag Tailfeathers24 event, which is being hosted by Diamond Grandma and Maisie's Madhouse. So I'll pop all links for them down below. So let's get started. You will have seen me unbox some of these items fairly recently, and where I've got unboxing videos, they will be up in the eye for you. So let's start with some lovely bookmarks. This is a set of bookmarks. We've got two here. We've got a lovely toucan, and we've got a lovely flamingo. Now these were so much fun to do, a super quick little gift idea. These tassels are particularly lovely, I really like them, and they elevate this to a whole nother level. So really nice. I have sealed these just using some of the Craft Buddy glitter sealant, but watered down quite heavily because that's very glittery and I didn't want it to overtake. So if I bring you down a little bit, there we go. You can maybe just pick up some of the glitter there. It's just an iridescent glitter, but because these are going to be inside books, and they're going to get a lot of touching and hardware, I thought it was important to seal them. So these were, where's my pricing? $3.99 these were when I unboxed them, and they're not going to be much different than that now. But yeah, really lovely. Highly recommend if you're looking for a little gift for somebody. These would be a great thing to grab hold of, and of course both of them fit wonderfully into the tail feathers theme of the event. So that's those. Pop those to one side. Next, from the same unboxing, we have the vegan leather diary notebook, which was $6.99. And that is here. This has got our lovely owl on it. Again, I have sealed it using just some watered down glitter sealant, just to give it a little extra sparkle, but not too much. So I'm really pleased with how that came out. I was unsure about the red eyes. I did consider swapping them out for something a little less spooky, but ultimately decided to leave it as it had been plotted. I really like the background here with the mixture of these pearls and these lovely, almost sort of peacock purple blue gems as well. Really nice. And this book is lined throughout. Really lovely. So yeah, those came from the same haul, so you'll have seen those unboxed together alongside my butterfly gift boxes and wall stickers. Additionally, one from the vaults, I had this canvas, which I had never done an unboxing for. It's from the time before I did unboxing videos, but this is also a Fansells canvas. And has been sitting in my stash for the longest time. We're talking 2020 here. I love how this turned out. These special drills on here are just stunning, and I'm going to insert a little bit of footage of me working on this because all of this white is glow. So if I can get a good enough picture, I will insert a picture of this lovely glow drill. So we've got special drills, we've got glow drills, we've got just so many colours in here. It is stunning. I'm really, really pleased with it. And I've used, I've had this Peacock washi kicking about for the longest time as well. So it was really nice to be able to use that. And yeah, I did go and have a little look on Fansells' website. If you type in Lumious canvases, you'll get a lot of their canvases using these glow drills show up. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with this one. Definitely one of my favourite small canvases that I have completed this year, and maybe ever. I really like it. It's got such great interest and sparkle, and then the fact that it glows as well is just like an added bonus. Really pleased with this one. So that's those items that were for the hashtag Tailfeathers24 event. So really great. Also, while I've got you here and we're talking all things Fansells, I thought I'd show you another Fansells finish that is not to do with this event, but still, let's get that shown to you as well. And that is this box here. So I'm going to input another little bit of footage of me putting it all together so that you can see how it works. But this was the gift box, trinket box, jewelry box. I think it's listed as a jewelry box. It is $10.99, comes as a flat packed kit that you build, and then I am just so pleased with the quality of the diamond painting on top. And then yeah, just lift off the lid and we've got this lovely box here that you can store all kinds of lovely goodies in. This again, I think, is one of my favorite things that I've purchased as a 3D off canvas item. I am so happy with this, and I'm definitely going to be looking for similar items to have a go at, just because I think the quality's there, and I think for the price, yeah, really lovely. It took longer to complete than I thought, because although I guess technically it's a partial, in that it's not lines of drills, the drills follow the shape of what you're creating, but it is completely covered in drills really. So yeah, so happy with that. So those are my Fansells finishes, and I could not be happier. As always, let me know down below what your favourite item is out of this selection, and let me know if you are thinking about getting any of them. You can use my code WITCH, which will be on the screen now, so that you can go and grab yourself a little discount on anything you do decide to purchase from Fansells. And if you yourself spot anything interesting on their website, do drop me a little message. My email is down below, or you can find me over on the Crafty Coven on Facebook. Let me know, and maybe I'll pick it up and check it out, and you'll be able to see what it's like for yourself. So thank you so much for joining me on this little journey. A big thank you to Fansells for working with me, and of course massive thanks to the lovely Diamond Grandma and Maisie at Maisie Scent Madhouse for running this lovely Tail Feathers event. It's been the most fun and has given me a lovely opportunity to work on some things that I otherwise may not have considered working on. So thank you so much for watching. Do give us a big old thumbs up if you like my content. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Become a member of the Crafty Coven. Huge thank you to those of you over on Patreon that support the channel. If you want to join them for $1 a month, you can do. The link is always down below. that's all from me for today, and until next time, stay crafty!